Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max VPN. To begin, download and install the Max VPN application from its official website or your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in using your existing credentials. It's crucial to grant any necessary permissions the app requests to ensure it can operate effectively on your device, providing you with a secure and private internet connection from the very start. After logging in, you'll see the main interface. To connect, simply browse the extensive list of available server locations. You might choose a server in a different country to access geo-restricted content or one nearby for optimal speed. Once you've made your selection, click the prominent Connect button. In just a few seconds, Max VPN will establish a secure, encrypted tunnel, protecting your online activities and masking your IP address. Max VPN offers several powerful features to enhance your online security and experience. Explore the kill switch feature, which automatically cuts your internet if the VPN connection drops, preventing data leaks. You can also utilize split tunneling to decide which applications use the VPN and which don't. Dive into the settings to choose different protocols like OpenVPN or WireGuard for varying speeds and security levels, and set up AutoConnect for constant protection. When you're finished, disconnecting is straightforward. Just open the Max VPN app and click the Disconnect button. For best practices, always ensure your VPN is active when using public Wi-Fi or handling sensitive data. Regularly update the application to benefit from the latest security patches and features. Finally, remember to use a strong, unique password for your Max VPN account to maintain maximum security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.